Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Totally Primal. I'm David, and I'm back again with Chef Tom. We're at the Performance Food Service building. I'm excited for what we have today. Some of my two favorite things, burgers and bacon. Tom, what are we doing?
We're going to show the endless uses of our grinds today. We have a 60-40 grind of venison and beef that we're going to make a beautiful cheeseburger out of, right. Bacon cheeseburger with our venison bacon. And we're also going to make some meatballs with our 60-40 venison and pork blend. That's Italian sausage. So there we have it. We got the meatballs made.
All right, into the oven. We got that preheated to what?
400 degrees.
400 degree ovens, nice and hot.
20 minutes.
20 minutes, perfect.
Well, the next thing we're going to work with is our 60-40 venison and beef combination.
Right there, all right, beautiful. We're going to do a half-pound burger,
we're going to make a big old half-pound burger here.
That's my style right there, I like it.
All we're doing is making a burger just like you would with your ground beef.
Sure.
Thing is, you're starting out with a raw material here that is 40% lower in fat than beef, 40% lower in fat than pork, 10% lower in fat than chicken.
Wonderful.
The healthiest protein you can put in your body. So if you want to indulge in a burger, this is the way to go. Okay, we got the patties made up. Gonna lay those babies in there and cook them on up.
We actually had this on another episode of Totally Primal, where we put that right around the back strap.
One of the things when I demonstrate this product to customers, I show them the product in the package, and then we cook the product, and there's almost no shrink to this whatsoever.
Right.
So you're paying $7.99 a pound for pork bacon that shrinks to within a third of its size, and all of that grease is $4.99 a pound that you're pouring down the drain.
Get rid of it, yeah.
So it's a good value because what you see is what you get. Okay, so we've got the burgers just about ready here.
Yep, you're looking pretty good.
And one of the keys to cooking hamburger properly, only flip them once. We're gonna take the bacon.
Absolutely.
Get those over here.
Because it's not like regular bacon where you have to render all that fat.
That is correct. You just need to heat it through. You don't need to cook it very long. A lot of people make a mistake and cook it too long. It just needs to be heated through.
No, we wanted to get a little toast on these buns too.
We're just gonna put these in here for like 2 or 3 minutes just to warm them up and get a little crust on the bun.
Beautiful. There it is. Oh yeah, just enough.
Just like 2 minutes on each side is all you need.
Just getting it heated through, absolutely. All right, so we have some separate buns sitting up here, Tom. What are we going to be using these for?
These are the Milano rolls, and we're going to put the meatballs in there with some marinara sauce and our 5 blend cheese.
Beautiful.
And
that's going to be good. I can't
melt
wait.
that in the oven.
The patties came off of the grill. We got them on the buns here.
We're going to put the bacon, sliced white cheddar cheese, fresh
Beautiful.
leaf lettuce on a pretzel bun. So we've got some marinara sauce that we've cooked up. We're gonna take these meatballs, put the marinara sauce over that, and then we're just gonna put these back in the oven for about a minute, just enough to melt the cheese. Get the oven for me.
You got it.
1 minute.
1 minute, that's all it needs, 1 minute. Oh yeah. Take a look at that. Fit for a king. Totally Primal.
Totally primal.
Every time, man. Every time you come up with something that just blows my mind.
We've got beautiful venison burgers, 60-40 venison and beef burgers with aged cheddar, aged white cheddar on beautiful pretzel buns.
You're singing my song, Tom.
And over here, the venison meatball grinders. Italian sausage, venison, and pork, and marinara sauce, and 4-way cheese, and on a beautiful crusty Milano roll.
That is totally primal. I don't know what you have to say about it.
That's totally primal.
Well, there it wraps up one more episode of Totally Primal. We both want to thank you. I'm Dave, this is Chef Tom, and see you next time on Totally Primal.
Just type in compound butter in the dictionary, in the computer, and that's how old I am. Take those meatballs to another whole level. Oh boy, that was left in too long.
Oh boy, he says. Cut it.
We're gonna put the bacon and.
Oh, claps.
All right.
Are you done with these?
I am.
I'm gonna-
I am. We'll catch you later.